Afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to give everybody a quick Fitness Friday update. Things are going well. I missed a couple days this week because I hurt my back. Friday night, well, last Friday at this point, I was at a church potluck, and for whatever reason, when I was in line, or when I was carrying the crock pot upstairs to the second floor at the church, my back just started feeling funky. And then we sat down for a little bit, and then when I got back up, my lower right side went into back spasms, and it was really bad, to the point where I could barely do anything. I couldn't I ended up having somebody else carry the crock pot downstairs to my truck for me, and then had my wife carry it back in from the house. But all in all, I've been doing pretty good. I've been actually in my bag here. I've been drinking pretty much nothing but water. I know in yesterday's video of the sleeper build, or reverse sleeper build, I was drinking a Pepsi, but that was Sunday. I forgot to get anything to drink on my way home, or on my way out to the storage unit to film that. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to drink a Pepsi. A Pepsi's not going to hurt anything every now and again. So, but I did do. Why did I put that back in the bag? But I flushed it out with plenty of water. So, and if anybody's curious, this LTT water bottle has seen a lot of abuse and a lot of use. I drink from it every day. It falls, whatever. It's holding up very well. I'm very pleased with that purchase, just like I am with that desk mat. But let's not turn this into anything about Elias Tech Tips. So what am I doing at this point? I am doing weight training. Actually, I just left the gym now. I'm sitting in the parking lot there doing this. There's a Sunoco behind me. But, today, we're doing these things where you walk up onto a step and you have two dumbbells and then you lift them as high as you can, well, all the way up. Those are going well. I'm doing the machine rows, and today also did did bicep curls. But then you also do a half-hour cardio. So I did a half-hour on the treadmill, and then I actually went to the massage chair, give that a try. That actually felt pretty good. My muscles feel pretty good right now. Because what happens a lot of times is I'll leave here, and man, I just can't walk. So I might, depending on how I feel, I might come back tomorrow and do my day 2, because I normally do 3 days a week, and today's exercise was my day 1. So if I could get at least 2 days in, that would be good. So I'm very happy with the progress I'm making. I feel like my face looks thinner. My shorts definitely fit looser. My shirts are all baggy now. I hope that didn't just mess up the microphone, or make a bad sound on the microphone. But man, deciding to start working out was one of the best things I could have done. You gotta be careful. I'm not eating as good as I could. I know that's a big thing, is I'm just not eating as good as I could. But what I do is I do go to, I do get a lot of V8, the V8 vegetable juice, and I drink that. I feel like that helps quite a bit. Because, I might not eat vegetables as much as I should, if I'm being honest. And, I think that the V8 vegetable juice helps with that. It also it makes me feel pretty good. So, actually I need to go up, since Walmart's right there, I might go get some of that. But, yeah, I mean, there's really not much to update. I don't want to, right now I'm not talking about weight because I am doing weight training, and oh, you can't really see that, but my arms are getting a lot more definition. So anyway, I'm going to cut this here. There seems to be a lot of people coming in, so I'm going to cut this here. Just keep praying for me, keep rooting for me, and I'm rooting for you if you guys are trying to lose weight. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank everybody for watching. Scrolling across the screen right now, special thanks to my Patreon supporters, and if you'd like to see your name there, there's always a link down in the description below. But as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.